Being tense, anxious, exhausted, and dizzied after a long hour working. Everyone is suffering from the pace of living and pressure from work. You need to find a way to slow down and relax in order to prepare for the next day. It is not a dream anymore to refresh yourself every day with iMist Aromatherapy device. It is the first app-controlled Bluetooth smart aroma diffuser in the world, with just one app to achieve all operating for mist output and light effect. Taking a rest and enjoying a relaxing aroma mist becomes easy. iMist is the best living solution to give you a much better quality of life. Running in concentration mode, iMist makes you more focused, sharpens your mind, and increases your work efficiency. In sleep mode, with slowly diffusing fragrance, iMist brings you into a fast-fallen and deep sleep. As an alarm, iMist can be set to wake you up by aroma mist, natural sounds, or alarm buzzer. iMist, the one product you need for the ideal aromatherapy experience. Living with iMist. Have a smart aromatherapy life.